Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to remove and reinsert our SIM card carefully. So all you need is a SIM tray opener, and of course, we need to put our phone like this. Here we have this place right here, and you may be wondering how are we going to open it. That's when the SIM tray opener comes in. Here we're going to put this into here. We're going to push it in until we hear a little bit of a click. We want to make sure that we see check SIM card tray. That means it will work. And now we're just going to put it out. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like. So let me just place the phone here. Now, as you guys can see, we got our SIM tray. So here we have our SIM card. We can remove it. And here we have it. So you may notice that you cannot put another card here. This is only for one SIM card. And here we need to put it like this. Now we want to go with the instructions that we see. So if you're holding it with the opener down, we want to make sure that we have our SIM card here. What are we going to do next is we're going to put it back in. You may look around where you have your opener because you don't want to destroy your SIM tray. Now here we just push it in. Once we push it in, our notification will just go away. And here we want to make sure that we also slide our finger on it so that we have 100% certainty that everything just works fine. So we want to be 100% sure that our SIM tray is in. What are we going to do next is we're going to clean this SIM card with a soft cloth. So this is only if reinserting did not help. And also you can confirm functionality of your SIM card by putting it in another phone. So these are two ways to check. Now if you see your card right here, you should have your provider. For me, everything works fine. There's really no need to check it. But if yours is not working, you can also get another phone. Make sure that you remember about the SIM tray opener, because otherwise you won't be able to open it, or you can destroy your SIM tray. What are we going to do next is we're going to check for software updates. So let's go to settings. Now in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down, and if you have an update available, you can see it right at the top here, or you can simply scroll down to software update, click check for updates. And as you guys can see, almost done. Restart your phone to finish the update. So here you guys can click on restart now, and once the phone simply turns back on, you will have the latest version of the software. It's very important because you can get rid of any glitches. And now we are waiting for the phone to turn back on. And as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to reset our network settings. So I'll see you guys in a second. So after the restart, finally it's done. We're gonna simply reset our network settings, as I've said. Let's open up the settings, scroll down until we see general management, and here we want to go to reset. Once we hit reset, here we have the network settings. So we want to reset our mobile network and also the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you want, but I would recommend resetting mobile network settings here. We're going to enter our pattern and click reset. We should see the visible confirmation on our screen, and that's basically done. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.